Half a year ago, the Kugoo S1 electric scooter was released and quickly became one of the hottest products on Geekbuy. Users all around the world have been raving about this high-performance budget electric scooter. Just recently, Kugoo released an upgraded model of the S1 called the Kugoo S1 Pro. This new model has sparked the interest of millions of e-scooter fanatics worldwide, and we have received hundreds of requests to review the S1 Pro. From my point of view, the differences between the S1 and the S1 Pro are not big. There are just a few added features that ensure an even safer user experience. So, with that being said, let's take a look at the Kugoo S1 Pro. The scooter stand by me is the new Kugoo S1 Pro, the same simple and nice design. The dimensions of the scooter are 1050 by 450 by 930, 1070, 1160 mm, and the height is adjustable. It has colored OLED display, which allows users to conveniently monitor the speed, range, distance traveled, time, and the battery life. The left-hand bar has a throttle that activates the electric brake, and on the right side, there is a throttle for acceleration. The Kugoo S1 Pro only weighs 11 kg with a maximum load capacity of 120 kg. There are 3 riding modes that dictate the speed, and the max speed for the S1 Pro is 30 km per hour. The Kugoo S1 Pro differs from the S1 with an added back brake light near the back tire and 2 signal lights on the right and left side of the handlebars. The back light activates when the brake is pressed, and the signal lights can be controlled by a switch near the handlebars. This upgrade in lighting system makes you more visible to other vehicles on the road, which ultimately leads to a safer ride. Another upgrade the S1 Pro has is an extra tactile grip tape on the deck, allowing for an even more stable ride. Do you like the upgrades on the Kugoo S1 Pro? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Aside from the safety upgrades, the S1 Pro is equipped with a solid 8-inch honeycomb explosion-proof tire, which effectively reduces the noise and heat levels while in motion. The Kugoo S1 Pro comes in the same colors as the original S1, which are black, white, blue, and pink. The new S1 Pro is only $20 more than the original S1, which is not a lot considering the improved performance. So, if you are in the market for a high-quality e-scooter, you should definitely give the S1 Pro a go. Okay guys, that's the review. If you have any questions about it, please leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe to Geekbuy's YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.